Hi guys, I'm Yaseen. Now we see Pro Mi Mi notebook with latest edition. It has a beautiful color shading, the new 10th generation Intel Core processor, new upgrade and high performance alone, dual channel large memory, full size backlist keyboard, 100% sRGB high color gamut, grand slam interface. The new generation Intel Core processor. We will use image editing, video editing and 3D rendering software very easily. The highest core frequency can reach 4.9 GHz and the overall CPU performance is 10% over 7% higher than that of the 8th generation. Powerful core claimly deals with large application. The performance of this laptop is beyond imagination. Funk Performance Intelligence. Select mode to meet the need of all sensors. Quick mode, balance mode, full speed mode. A new feature is added in this 10th generation. Dual heat pipe cooling system. New upgrade and powerful cooling. 15.6 inches full fit high definition large screen. Ultra narrow side and large field of view. Full size keyboard with the same large key pitch as desktop computer. Unlock the touchpad with fingerprint. Wake up to desktop in 2 seconds. Grand slim interface. 7 major interfaces to meet the need of whole scene. The new Xiaomi mutual transmission high-speed file transmission function. The transmission file format is not limited, the size is unlimited, and the speed is fast. High-performance professional notebooks. Choose the one that suits you. Thanks for watching.